Rope. Flossing is of the utmost importance for those of us who have whiskers on our lips. No, I'm in it for the flavor, John. The sweet green algae, the rich and satisfying aftertones of sand and small crustaceans. Here's something different. Well, there's no rope around. Ooh, good flavors. John, come here, quick. This is a winner. Yeah. Save a little for me. Hey, come on. Hey. I wonder what kind of shampoo she uses. Forget the sand and crustacean aftertones. I like the sweet flavor of, herbal essence.